Welcome to this tutorial on creating a Smartsheet in 2025. A Smartsheet is a powerful project management tool that helps teams collaborate and work efficiently. To get started, first log into your Smartsheet account and click on the Create button to begin a new Smartsheet. Step 1 is to set up your sheet by choosing a template or starting from scratch. Smartsheet offers a variety of pre-built templates for common use cases such as project management, event planning, and sales pipeline management. Choose a template that best fits your needs or select the blank template option to start from scratch. Once you have chosen your template, you will be prompted to set up your sheet by adding columns. Columns are used to store and display data in your Smartsheet. Common column types include text, date, and checkbox. You can also add custom columns to fit your specific needs. Next, add rows to your Smartsheet. Rows represent individual tasks or items in your project. You can add rows manually or import them from an existing spreadsheet. Make sure to include all relevant information for each task, such as task name, start date, and assigned resource. Now that your Smartsheet is set up, you can start collaborating with your team. Smartsheet allows you to assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and track progress. You can also use the commenting feature to communicate with your team and provide updates on tasks. To take your Smartsheet to the next level, use formulas and conditional formatting to automate tasks and highlight important information. Formulas can be used to calculate totals, dates, and durations, while conditional formatting can be used to highlight tasks that are overdue or at risk. Best practices for creating a Smartsheet include keeping your sheet organized and up to date, using clear and concise naming conventions, and establishing a consistent workflow. Regularly review and update your Smartsheet to ensure it remains relevant and effective. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a Smartsheet that helps your team work more efficiently and effectively. With its powerful features and collaboration tools, Smartsheet is an essential tool for any project management team.